Okay, I'm just gonna take this extra trim from making the slabs there. No big deal, just no reason to get a giant hump together for just this small lid. All right. There. Now that that's ready to go, we're just going to center it on there. Stick it down to the wheel head real nice. A little bit of water. Start wheel wedging it. I didn't really wedge it that well. It's too small of a piece of clay for me to wedge. Flatten it down. Bring it in again. There. Trying to find the amount of clay that I'm going to need. It's about this much. Okay. Let's see how wide that needs to be. So I'm about right there. To go. I'm just going to establish. Whoop. Here. Well, it's such a small piece of clay, I just ripped it right off. Just go and smush it all together. Grab the amount of clay that you're going to want to throw with. About right there. Make it nice, flat on top. Now we're ready to start making the hole and the flanges of the lid.